Hello everyone, welcome back to Falcon Fire RC. In today's video, I'm going to be showing off a cool new accessory I have for my FCX18, and that is this FMS Utility trailer. I believe this is the B variant of the black trailers. It has this little, it has the ATV or whatever trailer ramp at the back for loading ATVs, which is why I got this cheap Amazon ATV to put on it. It looks a little undersized, but I think it is the right scale. It's just the FCX18 and the trailer have such big tires and high ground clearance. Like, this is a really cool scale trailer. Probably the best one you could find for an RC crawler. It's got functioning leaf springs. It's just one axle in here, so both tires spin at the same speed. It is meant for both the 18 scale and 112 scale crawlers, so that's why the tires are a little oversized. His lights do not light up, but in a future video I might decide to install lights on this. Let me know in the comments if you like to see that. It's got chains on the hitch here, which is really cool. I only currently have one installed because one fell off. I've never seen any other trailer for a small scale RC crawler that has chains on it, so that's really cool. It's a really nice trailer. It's really fun to drive the FCX18 and this on the trail. Later on in this video, I take this out on the trails for the first time, and I do a little bit of light mudding. I say light because the mud wasn't very muddy. It did get dirty, but it wasn't like I was driving through a gooey mess. But this four-wheeler looks really nice on the trailer. I'll link it and the trailer and the FCX18 in the description. But that's really all I have to say about the trailer. Let's go to the trail. I have to pay attention to where I'm going. I just gone number 2.
Well,